My name's Stephen Barker and I am the Chief Executive of the Creative Quarter Company based in Nottingham. The Big House has been running since October 2016, providing business support services to creative and digital industries. Here at the CQ we provide a sort of a front door for the Big House. We recruit and refer beneficiaries within the programme. Elsewhere, the spending is spread across businesses in the full range of creative sectors, architects, sculptors, web designers, motion graphics people. A place which is a great place to live, to learn and to work.
I'm an artist illustrator and I've been doing what I do for about 8 years, working from home. I wanted to be around other people and other creative types, so it sort of fitted perfectly. What the creative industries bring to the country, I think Nottingham's an important cog in that.
The Big House programme specifically has been immeasurably useful to me as a creative wanting to learn things, but also I've been able to offer them training for other people as well because of my expertise. So I feel that it's been a really, really useful collaboration and really, really helpful to the people in the creative industries.
We run the Creatives Club, and that's an opportunity to bring people together for networking, but also for a specific piece of learning. We tend to get people into that programme who have got a story to tell. We're interested in insight. That might be technical support stories, or it might be practical things that apply to everybody. The EU funding is really important because it just gives you that massive additional capacity to deliver these services to the businesses and the people who are most likely to benefit from them. And the way in which it gels a partnership together is a massive multiplier effect in terms of what we're capable of delivering and the benefit that that represents to the businesses that most need that support.